Hello guys, this is my day 7 of self improvement. Today I'm going to talk about my entire day. First of all, when I wake up at 5:30, I went to college at 6 a.m. and then in college I feel very sleepy, so I sleep one period, and then recess also I slept. Uh, After coming hostel at 10:30, uh, I started inquiring about costing subject, which teacher I want to purchase the course of which teacher. So I then, after a lot of research, I got to know about Nitin Guru sir, and by asking of my brother, he gave me the questions PDF of first chapter of that subject, which is named as material. So in this chapter I got to learn about many new things, like how to cost a material, and in that there are many formulas. So first, the material includes three part: purchase price, the price at which goods the price of the goods purchase price is the price of the good which we purchase, and then it includes ordering cost. It is concerned with the cost which is associated to order the goods. And third is carrying cost. It is associated with handling or carrying the to carry on the goods which is being purchased. So there are basically three part of the material cost. The first is purchase price, second is ordering cost, third is carrying cost. Now there are various formulas to these three parts. First is purchase price. The formula for purchase price is price of a particular unit into number of units purchased. It's very simple. We learn it in very early classes, so this formula is very easy. Now the next part is total ordering cost. The formula for total ordering cost is ordering cost per unit into number of orders. The ordering cost per unit is basically the amount of money which is required to order one unit of particular goods. Ordering cost includes expenses like transportation charges, inspection of goods, then inspection of goods done, transportation charges, handling cost to take the good, collection cost, the cost to collect the good from market, receiving cost to receive the goods, and this type of cost. These are come under total ordering cost. So the formula for total ordering cost, let me remind you once again, is ordering cost per unit into number of orders. This is the second part of the material cost. Third part is the total carrying cost. The formula for total carrying cost is the carrying cost per unit per annum into average stock. So now there is two terms: per unit of carrying cost per unit per annum. It means the amount of money which is required to carry a particular unit for whole year. Carrying cost of per unit means on a particular unit how much amount we have to spend to carry a particular good for entire year. That's why it is per annum. And the second term is average stock. So average stock is again basically two formula for it. Is first is when the safety stock is maintained, and the other is when the safety stock is not maintained. Safety stock is just a stock which is kept by the company in case of emergency. When the inventory level go below a specified limit, then that safety stock is used. So with safety stocks, the formula for the formula for average stock is EOQ. EOQ means economic order quantity plus safety order, safety stocks. These two are summed. Which one? Let me repeat. I'm going to repeat it once again. So the formula for average stock is 2. There are two formula. First is with safety stock, and with safety stock it is EOQ plus safety stock into cost. Wait a minute, sorry, I am making a mistake, so let me clear once again. I'm go from very beginning. Material cost, it has three part: purchase cost, total ordering cost, total carrying cost. Purchase cost is very easy. Purchase cost per unit of good into total unit of good purchased. Second is ordering cost. It is cost per order into number of orders. These two formulas are done. Third is total carrying cost. The formula for total carrying cost is 2. The formula for total carrying cost is 2. That's with when safety stock is maintained and when safety stock is not maintained. So first, when safety stock is not maintained by the company, then the total ordering cost is total carrying cost is the cost per unit of good, per unit carrying cost per unit per annum into ordering carrying cost per unit per annum into average stock. Average stock is EOQ, economic order quantity by 2. That's called average cost. So average cost divided by average cost into cost per unit of carrying cost per unit per annum. That's okay. This is when the safety stock is not maintained. When safety stock is maintained, the formula for total carrying cost is total carrying EOQ. Average stock. Average stock is EOQ by 2. EOQ by 2 plus safety stock. These two are multiplied with carrying cost per unit. So this is called total carrying cost. Okay, now revise it once again. The formula for the method of calculating the cost of material is consists of three parts. First is purchase price, total ordering cost, total carrying cost. Purchase price, it is the purchase price of per unit, purchase price per unit into number of units purchased. And the total ordering cost, it is ordering cost per unit into ordering cost per unit into number of orders. Then third is total carrying cost. It has two formula: when the safety stock is maintained, when the safety stock is not maintained. When the safety stock is maintained, the formula is total average stock, which is EOQ by 2 into carrying cost per unit per annum. And when the safety stock is maintained, then the formula is EOQ by 2 plus safety stock into carrying cost per unit per annum. So these are the three part of material cost. Now we go to second topic of this chapter, which is EOQ. What is EOQ? So EOQ means stand for economic order quantity. It is basically a order size at which the total ordering cost, which I have talked earlier just before, and the total carrying cost are both minimum. That means the sum total of the total ordering cost and the total carrying cost is minimum at EOQ. In simple words, we can say that EOQ is the order size, that is how many amount of good we order, so that the total of the carrying cost plus ordering cost is minimum. And one more conclusion can we draw from EOQ is that at EOQ point, that means at EOQ quantity order, the total ordering cost is equal to total carrying cost. So these are always equal at EOQ. So this is the second topic, EOQ. First topic is material cost, second topic is EOQ. Now the third topic is Stock level. There are various type of stock levels. First, stock level is the amount of stock that is kept by the company. So there are, I think, 5 types of stock level. First is reorder level. It tells the company that after how much level of stock a company should order for acquisition of stocks. That is, in simple words, in how much level of stock, how much unit of goods left in the inventory. So, and after that, suppose the level at which the company should order the reorder company should reorder the stock is, suppose, 10,000 units. That means when the inventory is left to 10,000 units, the company should order for inventory. And it basically takes time when we place order to implement the order takes few time, like suppose 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. These time, at least 4 days to 8 days, it varies from many factors. It depends on many factors. So there is a variation between the time, that time of delivery. So we take before emptying our inventory, the company makes the order so that production will continues, and production will not stop due to the shortage of inventories. So that's why the company maintain a level of stock at which the order is placed for acquisition of further inventories, so that production will not stop. The level at which the order for stock is given is called reorder level. So the formula for reorder level is very simple: maximum consumption into maximum time. So what is maximum consumption? The maximum consumption is the maximum amount of raw material that is used by the company in a particular day into maximum time. So maximum time is the maximum delivery time which is taken by the company, which is taken by the supplier of raw material. Suppose the delivery period varies from 4 days to 8 days. So the maximum time here is 8 days. And the maximum consumption, suppose the consumption of a particular raw material varies every day, like it varies from 2000 units of raw material to 6000 units. So these variation, the minimum consumption of this is 6000 units and varies to 10,000 units. So 6,000 is the minimum consumption and 10,000 is the maximum consumption. 10,000 unit is the maximum consumption. So for calculating reorder level, we have to take 10,000 units as maximum consumption and multiply it by maximum time taken by the supplier to deliver the goods. So by taking this assumption that for the time being, that is for the time being, the consumption is maximum, the delivery time is also maximum, so that for how many days the company is able to run its business with the stock available. So that's the main focus of this ROL, sorry, it is called reorder level. Reorder level means when we have to reorder about the inventories. So that's all for today. There is another formula for reorder level, and we will talk about it in tomorrow. Okay, thank you.